Older homes in Washington carry a unique charm that newer construction simply can't replicate. From detailed brickwork and decorative trim to distinctive architectural styles, these properties reflect history and craftsmanship. When it comes time to replace aging windows, homeowners often face a challenge: how to upgrade performance without sacrificing character. Custom windows offer the perfect balance. Designed to match the original style of your home while incorporating modern technology, they help preserve architectural integrity while improving comfort and efficiency. Matching original architectural details. Many older Washington properties feature distinctive window shapes and configurations: arched tops, divided lights, tall narrow openings, or specialty trim profiles. Standard, off-the-shelf windows may not replicate these details accurately. Custom windows are built to match the exact size, shape, and style of your existing openings. Whether your home features colonial grids, craftsman-style mullions, or historic arch designs, custom manufacturing ensures those defining characteristics remain intact. This attention to detail keeps your home's exterior cohesive and true to its original design. Preserving proportions and symmetry. Architectural harmony often comes down to proportion. Older homes were designed with carefully balanced window placements that contribute to overall curb appeal. Custom windows allow you to maintain those proportions. Rather than adjusting the opening to fit a pre-made unit, the window is created to fit the space precisely. This preserves symmetry and prevents visual inconsistencies that can diminish the home's historic appeal. In Washington neighborhoods where character matters, maintaining these details helps protect both aesthetic value and neighborhood charm. Modern performance behind classic design. While preserving appearance is important, upgrading performance is equally essential. Older windows often suffer from drafts, single-pane glass, and deteriorating frames that reduce energy efficiency. Custom windows can incorporate modern features such as double or triple pane insulated glass, low emissivity coatings, argon gas fills between panes, energy efficient vinyl or fiberglass frames. These advancements improve insulation and reduce energy waste without altering the home's historic look. For Washington homeowners, this means improved comfort during seasonal temperature shifts while keeping the property's original charm. Replicating historic grid pattern divided light windows are common in older homes. Replacing them with plain, gridless glass can dramatically change the home's appearance. Custom windows can replicate authentic grid patterns that mirror the original design. Whether you need colonial grids, prairie styles, or decorative patterns, custom fabrication ensures visual consistency. Some options even offer simulated divided lights with energy-efficient glass, combining traditional style with modern performance. Adapting to unique window shapes. Older Washington properties may include specialty window shapes such as arched windows, Palladian designs, round or oval accent windows, oversized picture windows. Custom window solutions accommodate these shapes without compromising architectural identity. This flexibility allows homeowners to maintain distinctive features that define their property. Protecting long-term property value. Historic and character-rich homes often hold strong market appeal. Buyers in Washington neighborhoods appreciate properties that retain original details while offering modern upgrades. By choosing custom windows that preserve architectural style, homeowners protect long-term property value. A seamless blend of historic aesthetics and energy efficiency makes the home more attractive in competitive markets. Professional installation matters. Preserving character isn't only about design, it's also about proper installation. Experienced professionals ensure custom windows are installed carefully, protecting surrounding trim and structural elements. This attention to craftsmanship ensures the final result looks authentic and performs reliably. A thoughtful upgrade for Washington homes. Replacing windows in an older home doesn't mean sacrificing character. Custom windows allow Washington homeowners to maintain architectural integrity while improving comfort, efficiency, and durability. By carefully matching original designs and integrating modern performance features, Custom windows provide the best of both worlds, preserving the past while preparing your home for the future.